It's really early in the morning. I woke up to make a dress for my holiday. So I'm going on holiday tomorrow to Cornwall, and I wanna make a dress for myself and for my date day with the ocean. I am so excited for this dress. It is the M7969 and it looks kind of weird, but honestly the things I've seen on Instagram just give me so much joy. I'm gonna open up my fabric, see what it looks like. Look at that, beautifully packaged. It's from a shop called the Rag Shop. There you go. Yes! Yes! So this is a Gingham Seersucker, and I think this will be the perfect fabric for my dress. So pretty. I'm buzzing this morning. The first thing that I need to do is look at the body measurements and decide which size I'm gonna go for. So I'm just gonna measure myself and see if I fit into an S or an M. Okay. I think I'm in between an S and an M. What should I do? Decision time. If I go with an S, chances are it's probably gonna fit a bit better. What should I do? I might be risky and go with an S. I might regret my life choices. I really think this is gonna be too small. Why do I do this to myself? It's what I want, and I always do what I want when it comes to sewing. And life is different. I don't always get my way. When it comes to sewing, I am the boss. Okay, we are done with the tracing. I'm really happy with what I got. Okay, so just finished cutting the last piece of the pattern, and I'm now about to head into work. See you at lunch. What's the time? It's 1:08. I have a meeting at 2 p.m. My plan is to cut the fabric. Let's do this. I've pinned the pattern to the fabric. The sleeves are gonna be huge. Let me get back to work and I'll see you this evening. Okay, so it's 6-ish o'clock. Very excited to finally get stuck into this. My first step is to sew the front to the back of the sides. Looking at these, they look a little tiny. Do I have time to lose weight between now and my holiday? The answer is no. If it doesn't fit, I guess I will spend some time crying and then gift this to a skinnier human. Win-win. There you go. All done. My next step is gathering up this huge sleeve. There you go. The fabric is gathered. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same at the top and the bottom for both sleeves. Look at that. So cute. My husband is asking me if I want KFC for dinner. We should go with a yes, because then if the dress is a little too small on me, I can blame it on the KFC. Whoa, I made a rhyme. If the dress is a little too small on me, I can blame it on KFC. I have managed to sew the sleeves, and the next part is I need to stitch this together. So I'm gonna go and stitch this here. Trim, turn, fold, pin, stitch. I've been able to pin the sleeves to the top, but I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's 9 p.m. and I'm feeling really tired. And when I feel tired, I make mistakes. So see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. What is up? Went to bed at 1 a.m. Woke up at 6 a.m. It is a good day to be alive.
Morning.
This cutie is beginning to take shape. I'm gonna go and sew the armholes in. Oh, look at the big sleeve. Now we get to move to the next step, which I think is doing the bias binding for the neck. I have 45 minutes to finish this dress. This is not true. Have I packed? No, I haven't. And I'm scared that I will regret spending so much time on this dress. Only for it not to fit. Yes, of course, my darling. Yes, of course. Trim, turn, pin, stitch. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna stitch alongside here. We have a top. I repeat, we have a top. Moving on to the skirt quickly. Stitch skirt front and back sections together. I'm rushing so much. This isn't enjoyable anymore. The next side. Let's do this quickly. Okay, what is next? Gathering upper edge of skirt. Gathering. And now all I have to do is hem the dress. Okay, so here's the dress. I've just finished it with 1 minute to go. Yes! So far, like without trying the dress on per se, I can say that the pattern is 10 out of 10, very simple, very easy to use. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for a pattern to use, definitely try this one. But I have to kind of try on the dress, see how it feels, and then I'll give you more feedback while I'm wearing it at the beach on holiday. I'll see you at the beach. Guys, I'm in Cornwall living my best life on holiday. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it that like. I can't do this. I can't be a YouTuber. You know what to do if you liked it. Please do what you feel in your heart to do. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, and comment.